Turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create all these effects using KineMaster. So let's get started. I have added 4 clips here for the 4 effects. Now select the first clip and go to color filter. Here in basic you can find B10, select that. Now go to adjustment, and here I recommend you to write all these values in a paper, otherwise it will be really difficult to remember all these numbers. So if you write them in a paper, it will be helpful while editing. Now I will increase the contrast by +23, then decrease the shadows to -6. After that increase the vibrance to +90. Gamma will be -10 and the hue will be -32. Now go to layers and select media, and from here you have to import a background. It can be any color. Now from here you have to change the color to dark blue. Now go to blending and here choose soft light and then decrease the opacity. I'm going for 34% opacity. Now I think I will make few more adjustments. So here I will decrease the shadows by -8 and increase the highlight by +10. So the first effect is ready. Now let's move on to the second one. So first you have to select the clip and go to adjustment. Here increase the brightness by +22. The contrast will be -61, saturation will be -100 and temperature will be -5. Then increase the highlights to +40 and decrease the shadows by -20. Gain will be +3 and gamma also +3. Then decrease the lift to -10 and no need to change the hue. Now again go to layers and import a background. Change the color to yellow. Then go to cropping and enable mask. Here choose this circle shape and increase the feather to 50. After that you have to increase the size of this, and also don't forget to center it and keep it on the top somewhere here. You have to change the blending mode to overlay and then duplicate this layer and change the color to pink. I will keep it somewhere between red and pink. So this is how it should look. Now again add another background and change the color to dark blue. Change the blending mode to soft light and decrease the opacity to around 50%. I think I will increase the opacity a little, somewhere near 60. The sky glow is only coming at the center, so I think I will change the shape of the mask from circle to square. If the sky glow is too bright, you can decrease the opacity of those two layers, because after exporting it was too bright. That's why later on I have decreased the opacity. Only one more thing is left. We are going to add a glow to the character. Now go to layers and add a white background, then enable cropping and crop it from the side so that it becomes a square. Then enable the shape mask and change it to circle. Keep this white layer over the subject. After that, increase the feather to 50. And then go to blending, and here change the blending mode to overlay. After that, you can adjust the opacity according to your video. So the two effects are ready. Now let's see how they are looking. Now let's move on to the third effect, and it is the easiest among all these three effects. Select the clip and go to color filters. Here choose warm and then select the last one. Now from layer add a background and change the color to dark blue. Then in blending, change the blending mode to soft light and decrease the opacity to around 70%. Now you have to make few easy adjustments. Decrease the contrast to around -26. Decrease the shadows also to -2 and increase the highlight by +6. Now let's add the last effect. So select the clip and go to color filter. Here in cold select C07. Now go to adjustment. Here decrease the contrast to -36 and decrease the shadows to -6. Increase the lift to +2. The highlights will be +3. Now all you have to do is